I do need to sort out, I don't know if you can see that, but that hinge latch, bonnet latch, just really got slightly tweaked. Okay, so I've got that straightened out, put some tape on it and just cut the swift wax with a hammer. It wasn't sitting down straight in there, it was too far to the left. But as you can see now, that's sitting down nicely. Just pops. You can hear it. It's popping up now, which it wasn't doing before. So, gonna go to the scrapyard now, see if I can get a fog light for the first job to fit in that housing. Bit of online research. It's just a Valio unit, and they fit them in different housing, but they fit the same unit in pretty much every Toyota from like 2005 on, Avensis, Auris, etc. So hopefully I'll be able to find one fairly easy, even if I haven't got an Auris. Okay, 07 Avensis. I think that's the right one. Okay, I've given the battery a quick charge. And this is it running, having done nothing mechanically at all. No nasty rattles or shakes. Very quiet, in fact. Give it a rev. Don't know if you can see, but absolutely dry, no leaks, anything at all. A bit dusty and dirty, but okay. So next job is the wires that got severed on this corner that go to the horn and the ambient temp sensor. Heat shrink. Just going to put a bit of electrical tape over the top and then heat shrink. Okay, just update. The ambient temperature, I don't know if that's what that sensor was I fixed at the front, but the horn now works. So that wiring I did was good.